I was going to sit here for a while. It's kind of breezy. Nice water. But it's going to be really breezy and probably really noisy, you know, on the speaker. So I'm going to head to the restaurant. I'm on the way to the restaurant. The restaurant's over there. So I better head over there now. Because I don't know how well you can hear me talking with the breeze blowing. But yeah, this is the beach area at the Holiday Inn Resort, West Bay. Cool bird. So I went to the Turtle Center. I walked about 9,000 steps before finding a bus. I think I walked about 6,000 steps. And then I stopped at the first bus stop I saw. And I waited about 15 minutes and no bus came. So I started walking again. And I walked another at least 3,000 more steps. Then found another bus stop. And then, yeah, the bus came in about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes after I arrived at the second bus stop, so I think I walked about halfway to the Turtle Center because it only took 8 minutes after the bus picked me up. It took 9 minutes actually. Yeah, it took 9 minutes to arrive at the Turtle Center after the bus picked me up. And I spent all morning, and I stayed until around 1400, around 2 o'clock. I stayed. I ate. Some. Oh, there's a restaurant there, a large restaurant there, and I ate conch fritters and beans and rice. Then after that, I caught the bus right away, right there at the Turtle Center. I caught a bus. And I rode the bus all the way to Georgetown. Georgetown. All the way to Georgetown. Got off at where the post office is there. Got off at the post office. And I went to one of the websites that I bookmarked, you know, in Google Bookmarks in my travel file to find out what restaurants are suggested in Georgetown. And then I found a good one that I had seen walking around Georgetown. I saw the Island Taste restaurant. I think that's what it's called, Island Taste restaurant. Let me see if I can find the receipt. Just to make sure that's the name of the restaurant. But I had seen it, and then when I went to the website and found it suggested, I said to myself, oh, I just saw that in their website. Island Taste. Cayman Turtle Center. Splash. This t-shirt, I bought this t-shirt at the gift shop there at the Turtle Center called Splash. So that's what this receipt is for. And this receipt is the Turtle Center itself. And Island, all of these receipts, they're from different places, but they all say Butterfield on them. Butterfield. So I'm not sure what that refers to. Huh. So where do you find? So anyway, I don't see the receipt, but I'm pretty sure it's called Island Taste Restaurant. I know it's so good. I had the jerk chicken with rice and beans again. These are better. These ones are better than the ones at the Turtle Center restaurant. The jerk chicken was out of this world. No one, I can understand why this restaurant was on the website as the best restaurants or must visit restaurants on Grand Cayman, not just in Georgetown but around Grand Cayman. But I was specifically looking for restaurants in Georgetown because that's where I was. So I had a great meal. Oh, with fried plantains again. You always get fried plantains, and they're wonderful. They're tender, juicy and tender and yummy. I love them. So yeah, that's why I'm going to the restaurant here, the Driftwood Bar and Grill here at the Holiday Inn Resort, because I want to get fried plantains with ice cream, if they can do it. I mentioned that in a previous video. The Turtle Center was okay. I liked it. I spent almost, I got there around 10. Between 10 and 10:30 I got there. First I went to, they have a little shop there that I got some ice cream. They have little cups of Haagen-Dazs ice cream, about this big. Little cups. So I got two of them. One was mango cream, and the other one was coffee flavor ice cream. Coffee flavor is like in my top 10 ice cream flavors. So of course I got that one. But Haagen-Dazs is always good, man. I love Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Nice music. They're playing nice music. This is a really nice place. So yeah, I was in Georgetown only about 2 hours. I ate about half the jerk chicken and rice and beans and the fried plantains. I ate half of it and brought the rest because my roommate, I did a previous video on the room, and there's a fridge in there and a microwave. So I guess I'll go into the restaurant. They got a dog barking here in one of the rooms. Okay. Oh, I'm tired. So yeah, I walked about 15,000 steps already today. So yeah, I'm tired. 15,000? Yeah, 15,000. You're pretty. So yeah, I guess they feed the cat there. They feed the cat. Hello, hello.
How are you?
Just fine. Hmm?
Here.
Let's sit here. I'm not going to get anything big. I'm not going to get a big meal.
Yeah, you can just have your appetizer. Sure.
Yeah, appetizer and
You have your,
dessert.
yeah, you have your appetizer. You have the dessert. Dessert comes with a pecan pie, and vanilla ice cream.
Oh, you have ice cream? Because I'm gonna, you know what I was thinking?
This is our
Because I was here yesterday and I got those fried
good.
plantains.
You have this one before.
Yeah, and I love the fried plantains. And I was thinking that would be good with ice cream.
The plantain. You want that one? We can serve you side plantain, and the
Ice
ice
cream.
cream. Ice cream. We have the nice one, the pecan pie ice cream. That is just like a pecan and just like a sandwich style.
Okay.
It's a good one.
And what other desserts?
Pecan pie,
Okay.
vanilla ice cream, and key lime pie.
So yeah, okay, I'll take this, the
Pecan pie,
ice cream, and the fried plantain.
fried plantain.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh, and a smoothie.
3.
Smoothie.
So you want the piña colada smoothie,
Sure.
pecan pie, and plantain.
Okay, I ordered. She remembered me from yesterday. So we got a bar there. We got the ceiling fans. This is a nice place. I like it. We got that man there. This is supposed to be singing, huh? We're doing something. I don't know what he's doing. So, tomorrow I go to the Queen Elizabeth thing. How long is this video? It's already 12 minutes long. I don't know. I guess I talk too much. My videos get too long. When I'm traveling, my videos tend to get kind of long. So I probably should go ahead and sign out because I don't want my video to get too long. I'll take photos of the food and I'll put it on. I put my photos on Instagram and Pinterest. So you can go to that if you want to see the photos.
You have some water.
Thank you. Give me some water. Refreshing. So it was a long day. It was hot out. But yeah, the bus system is okay. At first, I waited a long time for the bus before I saw the first buses. Because yeah, the first bus stop I went to, I didn't see any buses. And I was there at 20 minutes and no buses. But then I started walking again. I put on another 2,000 or 3,000 steps. Got to another bus stop. I think I passed another bus stop, a second bus stop. Then I went to a third bus stop, and that's where I stopped. I waited for a bus at the third bus stop I saw. And in 5 minutes, the bus showed up. So, and of course, at the Turtle Center, I was able to get on the bus right away. I mean, well, yeah, I started walking from the Turtle Center. I started walking, looking for a bus stop. But before I could find a bus stop, the bus came by, honked his horn, saw me walking on the side of the road, honked his horn, and then I waved him down, and he stopped, and I got on that bus. And he brought me all the way to Georgetown, where I ate at the Island Taste restaurant, small restaurant, only 7 tables. Run by, I think there were 2 ladies that were running the restaurant. Really, really nice, very nice ladies. And man, the food is out of this world. It really is. I would absolutely go there again if there weren't other restaurants I want to try. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and sign out now just because this video is getting too long. Ciao for